Have you ever paused to reflect upon the true purpose of your life? Do you wonder why you are ultimately here, or what the final destination of your journey is? Do you take time to reflect on your long-term future and where you are heading? What is the meaning and significance behind everything you do? Join us for The Quest for Meaning, Unveiling Your Life's Purpose. A dynamic workshop for practical self-discovery and growth, guided by Rick Serrano. In this immersive experience, you'll explore profound questions and uncover the answers that lie within. Engage with like-minded individuals in thought-provoking reflections and hands-on activities. Together, we'll navigate the complexities of life and discover the clarity and passion that drive us forward. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your journey and embrace the fulfillment you've been seeking. You have 3 opportunities to join the Quest for Meaning, Unveiling Your Life's Purpose workshop. You may choose from June the 6th, June 13th, or June 20th. Each session runs for 4 hours in the morning, providing a dynamic and immersive experience. The workshops will take place at the beautiful Maison Schuman in Clausen, in the city centre of Luxembourg, an excellent place for concentration and productive work. To register for the workshop, send us an email to workshoplifepurpose@gmail.com. We look forward to welcoming you at the Quest for Meaning, Unveiling Your Life's Purpose workshop. Thank you.